It Can Happen, the wife's calling. They're ready. Moto Miss Lily's the inside runner. It's green for go and they're racing. Saloon Passage, handlebars down, is going to drive across. Going with it in the early stages is Kenny DD. And they'll match Motors as they launch into that first turn. They've already got about two in front then of It Can Happen, followed by the wife's calling and Moto Miss Lily. A length and a half away then to Thingamajig as they leave the straight from Attorney Stride. All Bliss will settle down second to last, and going back to the tail end of the field now is Skewbridge Road. In that order they work into the back straight. 27-1 first quarter, and going to the top is Saloon Passage. Led a length and a half. In second, Posse is Kenny DD, and third on its back in turn is Moto Miss Lily. So 1, 2, 3 are racing on the pegs. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4 because Attorney Stride is fourth. Now working around them, 3 out is Thingamajig, and they are being followed next onto its back for the 1-1 by It Can Happen. Skewbridge Road is next, and then came the wife's calling, and last of all, and suited by this tempo, is All Bliss. That's the order working down the back straight. They're at the halfway mark at the 800, and the leader pinched a real cheapie there, 32.3, so 59.4 for the half. So the early speed went right out of the race, and the leader is Saloon Passage, about a length in front. In second spot is Thingamajig, followed by Kenny DD. It Can Happen and Moto Miss Lily, followed further back in the race then by the wife's calling on a loose rein, and then Attorney Stride, All Bliss, and dropping out to be last of all is Skewbridge Road. The field work to the direction of the home turn. It's Saloon Passage held together, a half length in front of Thingamajig. That third quarter, 28.9. So once again, Nathan Hurst ups the ante and swings for home, a length clear. Kenny DD has clear space now to work into the clear, and then came Moto Miss Lily. It Can Happen, and winding up from a fairway back is All Bliss. Saloon Passage, he's got to get busy because Kenny DD's in hot pursuit, and It Can Happen's running on. It's Saloon Passage, driving like a man inspired as Nathan Hurst. It's just in front, grips on Favin. Saloon Passage has beaten Kenny DD, getting out late Moto Miss Lily, and then It Can Happen, All Bliss, followed by the wife's calling. Attorney Stride has finished third last, and well back in the race to finish then was Thingamajig. Skewbridge Road, 27.3 up the straight, 155 and 7.